how to change the Odyssey 2015 mirror. Right here, mirror is broken, so just you need to pull this window down and then take the screw right here under the cover. You need to take cover off, clip off here, take the screw off here. And the second one, take the screw next to here, take this off. You can see right here, under here. And then third one, you need to use the screw. Take this off the panel. You can even find a screw is right here. Not so clear, but right here. You can see I take this panel off and take this off. Take this off, and then you can just pull this up at the side